everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore the latest manufacturing updates in Odoo 19.2, focusing on the improvements like bill of materials, work orders, and planning visibility. So let's see how these updates make production management easier. So these are the most beautiful and I think this is the most productive updates that comes under Odoo 19.2. So first of all, let's talk about the improved bill of materials overview. So if you're moving on to the operations and moving on to any kind of manufacturing orders, so let me take this one. Okay. So here, if I'm just going to click this one, there we have the bill of material for this manufacturing orders. If I'm just clicking on there, you can see now the BoM of overview. Okay, so by clicking on this, you can see the overview of your bill of materials. Like, you know what you mean by a BoM in Odoo 19, which means a bill of material defines raw materials, components, operation required to make a product, right? So what's here in new, like in Odoo 19.2, there you can see the grouped availability status by just clicking on the forecast option. Now, if you're just clicking on the forecast, now you can see each and every details, which means the status, and you can find the cost, lead time, route, and how many they are to free to use or in on-hand quantity. We have the quantity that we are just forecasted as well. Okay, so you can see the better visibility of required components and as well as easier tracking of the shortages. So why this is so important in Odoo 19.2 manufacturing module, it's actually help you to quickly identify missing materials. We can say avoid production delays and lastly improve planning accuracy. So now you can easily see whether all materials are available or not before starting the production as well. So now let's move on to the second most important updated feature in manufacturing module, which is work order Kanban planning. Okay, so moving on to the planning sector, I'll show you for the work orders. There we have the Kanban view. Just clicking on there, you can see different kind of availabilities. Like here we have only one thing, and there we have 0 to drill and assembly as well. So there we have one. So if you want to just simply change, okay, there we have the work center, right? So here I'm just removing these things and let me move the plant one as well. So there we have different kind of things. So if I want to change a particular, this particular stage into another one, like there we have assembly, drill and assembly 2. So if I want to move the tabletop from the stage which is assembly 1 to drill 1, I can simply drag and drop and it's actually changing their stages as well. So now you can see the Kanban view. Okay, so it's basically the visual representation of the task and easy to drag and drop your scheduled actions as well. Okay, so instead of complex planning, you now manage work orders visually like cards, making it easier to organize a production. Like it's easy like a game. You can easily provide each and every details and you can move and drag and drop what are the stages that you need to upgrade as well. Okay. So now let's move on to the improved work order reporting, which is the third feature that's updated in Odoo 19.2. So what's actually improved in here is the better insight into the work orders and clear tracking of operations as well. Like here we have the reporting session like here. So if I'm just moving on to the work orders, now you can see moving on to the pivot view, there we have an updated thing, which means you can now see the expected duration and the duration per unit, and there we have the duration and cost as well. So from onwards, now you can simply analyze what is the expected duration. So basically this feature is very useful and it's very productive thing in manufacturing module. Like this similar way you can also find our manufacturing what your work orders as well. So if I'm moving on to the work orders itself, if I'm moving on to the pivot table, from onwards itself I have the expected duration. So it's already available or it's already enabled there, and from here itself also you can find them. Okay, so basically the expected duration is helping you to find how much time it actually take to get the manufacturing orders to complete. Okay, so that will help you very easily So these are the key manufacturing updates in Odoo 19.2, helping you to manage production more efficiently and visually. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you are using Odoo 19.2 or if you want to upgrade your Odoo, please do it because this is so good things. Okay, so I'll be back with another good updates in Odoo 19.2 tutorials. So till that, bye bye.